Hello everybody and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to switch to professional mode in Facebook mobile. So first I just want you to get through your Facebook app, and by tapping on it we will be on the app, of course. And right here I just want you to get through your profile by tapping on your profile picture right here on the menu of Facebook. And right here what I want you to do is to go into these 3 points right here on the right side, tap on them, and after that, as you can see, there are multiple choices right here, but we are looking for switching our accounts to from normal accounts into a professional one. So let's just tap on this third option, turn on professional mode, and they will introduce you what the benefits of turning your account into a professional mode. So right here, after that, you can read or not, but after that you're finished, you can just tap on turn on, and you will be sent to this window. And then I just want you to tap on next. Alright, and here choose your default audience. I advise you to choose the public suggested, and then next, confirm, and yeah. So it's the last. Okay, then next you just will keep tapping on next until you're finished. And yeah, once you tap next right now, you will change your Facebook into the professional mode in the app. So for me, I don't want that, so I will not complete the process. I just showed you how you can do that. So if you found guys that video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share that video with your beloved ones, and thank you so much for watching.